Kitchen maintenance and cleanliness. A clean and well-maintained kitchen is essential for food safety, hygiene, and overall health. A kitchen is not just a place for cooking, but also a hub for socializing, bonding, and creating memories. However, it can quickly become a breeding ground for bacteria, germs, and pests if not properly maintained. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you keep your kitchen sparkling clean and in top condition. Daily cleaning routine. Establishing a daily cleaning routine can help keep your kitchen clean and hygienic. This includes washing dishes immediately after meals. This prevents food from hardening and makes cleaning easier. Use hot water and mild dish soap to clean dishes, pots, and pans. Wiping down countertops and sinks. Use a gentle cleanser and a microfiber cloth to remove crumbs, spills, and stains. This helps prevent the spread of germs and bacteria. Sweeping and mopping floors. Regularly sweep and mop floors to prevent dirt and dust from accumulating. Use a gentle cleanser and warm water to mop floors. Cleaning up spills and messes as they happen. This prevents stains and messes from setting in. Use a gentle cleanser and a microfiber cloth to clean up spills. Deep cleaning. In addition to daily cleaning, it's essential to deep clean your kitchen regularly. This includes cleaning the oven and stove. Use a gentle cleanser and a scrub brush to remove grime and food residue. For tough stains, use a mixture of baking soda and water to create a paste. Sanitizing the refrigerator and freezer. Wipe down shelves, walls, and floors with a mixture of soap and water. This helps prevent the growth of bacteria and mold. Dusting and cleaning light fixtures and ceiling fans. Use a gentle dusting spray and a microfiber cloth to remove dust and dirt. Organizing cabinets and drawers. Sort through kitchen utensils, gadgets, and ingredients, and get rid of anything unnecessary or expired. Tips for maintaining cleanliness. To maintain cleanliness in your kitchen, consider the following tips. Clean as you go. This prevents messes from building up and makes cleaning easier. Try to wipe down surfaces and clean up spills as you go. Use a trash can with a lid. Keep waste contained and prevent pests from getting into the trash. Take out the trash regularly to prevent odors and messes. Store food and cleaning supplies in designated areas. Keep food in sealed containers and cleaning supplies in a designated cabinet or closet. This helps prevent cross-contamination and keeps your kitchen organized. Regularly disinfect high-touch areas. Use a disinfectant spray or wipe to clean high-touch areas like faucets, countertops, and appliances. This helps prevent the spread of germs and bacteria. Importance of kitchen cleanliness. Maintaining a clean kitchen is crucial for several reasons. Food safety. A clean kitchen reduces the risk of foodborne illnesses. This is especially important for vulnerable populations like the elderly, young children, and people with weakened immune systems. Hygiene. A clean kitchen prevents the spread of germs and bacteria. This helps keep your family healthy and prevents the spread of illness. Pest control. A clean kitchen deters pests like cockroaches and rodents. These pests can contaminate food and spread disease. Overall health. A clean kitchen promotes a healthy environment for cooking and eating. This helps support overall health and well-being. Benefits of a clean kitchen. A clean kitchen has numerous benefits, including reduced stress. A clean kitchen can help reduce stress and anxiety. Clutter and messes can contribute to feelings of overwhelm and stress. Improved health. A clean kitchen promotes a healthy environment for cooking and eating. This helps support overall health and well-being. Increased productivity. A clean kitchen can help you cook and prepare meals more efficiently. This saves time and makes meal prep more enjoyable. Better food quality. A clean kitchen ensures that food is prepared in a safe and hygienic environment. This helps prevent foodborne illnesses and ensures that food tastes its best. Common kitchen cleaning mistakes to avoid. To maintain a clean kitchen, it's essential to avoid common cleaning mistakes, including not cleaning up spills immediately. This can lead to stains and messes that are difficult to clean. Not sanitizing surfaces. Failing to sanitize surfaces can lead to the spread of germs and bacteria. Using harsh chemicals. Harsh chemicals can damage surfaces and pose health risks.